This is milestone 2 demo for JSON. The code for this engine is mostly based on the code that we did in the class. There are 4 models and 4 renderers. The models are the pyramid, the cube, trapezoid, and pentagon. And the same 4 renderers are the wireframe, color by position, texture, and texture with light. On the top 2 rows, I'm just showing stationary objects drawn by different renderers. And on the 3rd row, on the left hand side, the objects are rotating along different axes. The pyramid is rotating around x-axis, and the cube is rotating around y-axis, and the trapezoid is rotating around z-axis. And on the right hand side of the 3rd column, the objects are scaling up by a factor of 2. The behaviors are implemented by using a strategy pattern, and the strategy can be chained together so that they can have a cumulative effect. On the 4th row, I'm showing the result of chaining a scale with the rotation so that the objects will scale up as they're rotating. On the right hand side of the 4th row, the objects are moving along different axes. The pyramids are moving, so it's moving up and down along the y-axis and the axis for the cube, and the trapezoid is moving front and back. And on the 5th row, on the left hand side of the 3 cube, they are drawn by texture with light renderer and with the different lights, just green, red, and blue. And on the right hand side of the 5th row, there are 3 cubes, also drawn by texture with light renderer. But I think I calculated the normal incorrectly, so the light is coming outward from within the cube. If we zoom in, it's a little bit more clear. It looks like the light didn't get reflected, or rather the light is reflected within the cube. So I think I probably have the minus and plus, probably got those wrong when I'm calculating the normals, but I couldn't really figure out how to do that correctly, so I just left them like that. In the next 2 rows, I'm just showing pentagons using different renderers and having different behaviors. And the engine supports multiple cameras. I can press C and then it will create cameras. I can switch between them using N. So right now I have 2 cameras. I can create a couple more by pressing C again. I can switch between them by pressing N, and I can kill all the cameras until there's only one left. And now this is the last camera. And that's the end of the demo, and I hope you like it.